Good morning, students. Now we are going to do our chapter 14 and exercise 14.2 and 14.3. Okay, that we are going to discuss in this class. And this chapter is your based on tally marks. Okay, chapter name you usually know that statistics. And in 8th standard, your previous class, you already read about tally marks. Okay, now our this chapter is extension of this one. Okay, suppose that our first question is the distance of 40 engineers on residence covered by these engineers. Okay, 40 engineers ने जो distance cover किया है that is 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 10 kilometer, like all this. And you have to make a frequency distribution, grouped frequency distribution, and with the class size 5. Okay, class size 5 means this is a difference between the interval, smallest difference between the interval, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like all this. And whatever 5 is a starting, because this is a 3 is the smallest number of this, and greater number is 32. Okay, it means we have to start from this interval to, and a last frequency is in between interval, that is our last one. Okay, suppose that here is intervals are 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. No need to write on next interval because your greater number is 32. Okay, now I am going to write the tallies. How to write it? See, first is here is 5 and this is a tally marks. 5 in which interval it comes? This is in a this one, because 5 is in our next. 3 is here 1. Okay, 10 means here. 20 means not this interval, this interval. 20, 25 is here, and 11 is 10 to 15. This is 11. So like all these in our tallies are, here are 5 tallies. Okay, here are 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1 and 2. Okay, according to this data we write all these tallies. Okay, where I already explained to you. And now we write the frequencies. This is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 11, 5, 10, 11, 5 plus 4, 9, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 2. And add all these total. Add all these frequency means 11 and 11, 22, 5, 27, 28, 29, 29 and 9, 38, and 2, 40. Okay, and we already discussed the 40 engineers. Okay, engineers, distance covered by 40 engineers. Okay, so sum is 40, it means our sum is correct. Okay, and you also it is need find that all the tallies are write down in the corresponding interval which they come. Okay, don't write if 8 is come here and you have to tally here. No, 8 is in between 5 to 10, so we write here. Okay ji, this is the question of that is based on your exercise 14.2. And next I am going to discuss 14.3. Okay, in 14.3 we are going to explain one thing of you, that is first one is graphical representation of data. Graphical representation of data. Second is bar graph. And third is histogram. Okay, and firstly we are going to discuss firstly bar graphs. Okay, bar graphs, after that histogram, and after that graphical representation. Okay, firstly this second number is this, and third number is this. So what we do in bar graph? Okay, bar graph ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਡਾਟਾ that is not continuous, okay, डाटा कंटिन्यूस नहीं होएगा. ओके, किमें होएगा? सपोज दैट ए सम पार्टीज, वी आर टेकन सम पार्टीज. ठीक है, पार्टीज ए बी सी डी है ना, ए पार्टी, बी पार्टी, सी डी ई. ओके, एंड हेयर वी कैन राइट नंबर ऑफ वोट्स. Party A has 70 votes. Party B has suppose that 45 votes. Party C has 30 votes. Party D has 10 votes, and Party E has 50 votes. Okay, and he told that to give a graphical representation or make a bar graph. So how to make it? See, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. This is O. Here we write down parties. Which one? Okay, and here see the data start from 10 and end at 70. So if you want to take difference of 5, and if you want to take a difference of 10, as usual. Okay, this is your choice. So write down here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and here is 70. This is our last one. And here we write down the number of votes. Is it okay? Firstly, the difference between the parties is the same. Suppose that this is the A party. Okay, A party has 70 votes. So 70 votes means this got a 70 votes. Okay ji, this is party A. We write down here. Okay, clear? Next, party B. B party, you have to take a distance from this one equal. This difference is equal between two bar graphs. ओके, ये डिफरेंस बेटा दोनों बार ग्राफ्स दे विच सेम होना चाहिए. नॉट दैट कि वन ग्राफ इज़ क्लोजर, वन ग्राफ इज़ वेरी ब्रॉड और वाइड. ओके, नॉट दिस थिंग. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्राफ्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. ओके, दिस डिस्टेंस वी टेक सेम एज दिस डिस्टेंस वी टेक. नेक्स्ट पार्टी B is 45. B is 45 means here mid of 40 and 50. This is your B part. Okay, next is C 30. Here we take C. C is 30. 30 means this one. Okay ji, sorry, like this. D is 10. And E is 50. E is like this, and E is this 50. E. If you want, color this bar graphs, okay, or by showing with different colors as usual you do. Okay, this is a representation of data in bar graph. Is it okay? And now next I am going to do a next page. Next page is our histogram. Histogram, as usual, I also told that this is in a continuous data. And if data is not continuous, then you make it continuous. Okay, and how to make the data in a continuous intervals, that I am going to show. Suppose that your sum is, suppose that this is a length in mm. Okay, 118, 126, 127, 135, 136, 144, 145, 153, like all this. Okay, and his question, your question is make a histogram. It means see 118 to 126, but this number is start from 127, and what we want कि this and this numbers are same. Okay, फिर ही डिफरेंस सेम होएगा ना अपना. ये इंटरवल अपना 118 तो शुरू होया, 126 ते एंड होया. दिस इंटरवल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 127. इट मीनस इत्थे हुण फर्क किन्ने दा रह गया अपने कोले 1 नंबर का फर्क रह गया. हुण ये 1 किधर गया? ओके, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. दिस 1 इज गोइंग इन between, so what we do, 0.5 is plus here and 0.5 is subtract here. ओके, इस नंबर चो 0.5 सबट्रैक्ट कर देना है, इस नंबर चो 0.5 ऐड कर देना. तो नवा इंटरवल की बन जाएगा हुण, अपनी लेंथ की बन जाएगी. हुण लेंथ बन जाएगी 117.5. 0.5 इज माइनस, 0.5 इज प्लस. इज इट ओके? 0.5 इज माइनस, 0.5 इज प्लस. 0.5 is minus, 0.5 is plus. 0.5 is minus and 0.5 is plus. Okay, intervals are same. Okay, and suppose that number of leaves, suppose 3, 5, 9, 12. And how to make the histogram? Okay, histogram is like in this way. I am taking a short data. Okay, this is, you have to write length, you have to write number of leaves. Is it okay? See, firstly here we start from this one. This is 117.5, 126.5. next is 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, and here we write suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, first one 3, it means this is a. Next one is 5. 5 means कि दिस इज़ नॉट अ बार ग्राफ. ओके, डिफरेंट नहीं बनाने, दिस इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस. इत्थों ही शुरू करना है. 126 to 135.5 इज़ 5. इट मीनस वी इंक्रीज दिस वन. ओके, हिस्टोग्राम बेटा एक दूसरे नाल जुड़े होणगे, इन्हां दे विच किसी तरह का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होएगा. बार ग्राफ्स दे विच डिफरेंस होएगा. नैक्सट इज़ 9. 9 मीनस आपां होर उपर जाना लाइक दिस. नैक्सट इज़ 12 मीनस आपां हुण इत्थे जाना. इज इट ओके? दिस इज़ अ हिस्टोग्राम एंड यू हैव टू कलर in different ways as usual if you any want. Okay, whatever you do. Okay, this is your topic and you have to make it very neat and clean on your notebook. If any confusion and write in a comment section of this video. Okay, and if you clear all this topic, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अच्छा लग गया, then like it. Okay, if you have any doubt, कोई doubt है, then write in comments. ਕਮੈਂਟਸ। ਓਕੇ, ਮੈਕਸੀਮਮ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟਾ ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਓਕੇ? ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰੋ, ਦੇਖੋ, ਦੇਖਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਡਾਊਟ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਲਿਖੋ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅੱਛੀ ਲੱਗੀ, ਸਮਝ ਆਇਆ, ਦੈਨ ਲਾਈਕ। ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਓਕੇ? ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ, ਹੈਵ ਅ ਨਾਈਸ ਡੇ।